Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting direct access to the recorder and a place to save footage. Locate the DVR/NVR model and IP, then log in as admin. This lets you change export settings. Connect a monitor or laptop via HDMI or use the web UI over the local network so you can view timelines. Make sure your USB stick or external HDD is formatted and has enough free space. Once done, you can move to find the exact recording segment. Now you locate the exact clip using the recorder's timeline, motion event list, or timestamp search. Select the camera channels and set precise start and end times so you export only relevant footage. This saves time and space. Choose a common format like MP4 for compatibility and pick the destination, USB, network share, or FTP. After initiating export, watch the progress indicator and confirm file size and duration. Once complete, safely eject the finish by verifying the exported file on a computer. Play it front to back to confirm video, timestamps, and audio if present. Create a checksum and keep at least one backup copy offsite or in cloud storage for chain of evidence purposes. If you can't find expected footage, make sure retention settings didn't overwrite it and check log events. If overwritten, recovery is unlikely, but some NVR tools or forensic services may help. One quick troubleshooting tip: check recorder system time. Incorrect time ruins search accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.